Board of plain boiled eggs. Let me show you the soul of a Chinese breakfast. Tea eggs. Super easy, super flavorful, and trust me, you can make this on your first try. First, let's boil the eggs. Put the eggs in cold water and add a bit of salt. I like a tender, jammy yolk, so once the water boils, keep cooking for about 4 minutes. Then transfer the eggs to cold water. We're making 2 styles of tea eggs today. Half will be the classic version with beautiful crackled patterns, so gently tap the shells to crack them. The other half will be the soft, tender version. Peel them first and keep the whites smooth and clean. Now let's make the broth. Prepare bay leaf, cinnamon, star anise, Sichuan peppercorns, and dried chili peppers. In the pot, add your spices, water, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, sugar, and black tea bags. Drop in the cracked eggs and boil for about 5 minutes. Once the broth cools down, add the peeled eggs and let everything rest in the fridge overnight. Just look at this. The peeled ones are silky, soft, and incredibly savory. The crackled ones are bold, beautiful, and full of tea aroma. 2 styles, same pot, zero stress. So if you're tired of boring boiled eggs, this is your sign to upgrade. Give it a try and let me know which version you like better. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.